Hello folks, Namaste, welcome to day 4 of our Kathmandu to Kanyakumari with Tata Curve Drive, and we have just crossed Nagpur. We had stopped there for topping up and of course for sleeping, resting also. We did that, things are good, things are great. After getting our car charged today morning, new thing has happened. If you look at this dash here, we've got 92% is battery, but check out the range it's showing. It's 255 kilometers only. That has never happened. With 92% is battery, 255 kilometers, there's some problem, right? So I think it's a problem with calibration. Yesterday we went through multiple issues while we were getting our vehicle charged. So I think it's an issue with calibration of the battery. That usually happens with EVs. So I have shared this picture with Tata Nepal's service head. Let me see what is the feedback that I'm gonna get. And yeah, we are on our way towards Hyderabad now. Hyderabad is 500 kilometers away from here, and our plan is no plan. Plan. We are just going with the flow. But today, जस्तो सुकै condition होस्, सस्तो सुकै situation होस्, होटल लिने हो, सुत्ने हो, अति भइसक्यो. यो चार्जिङ एन्ड ड्राइभिङ डेस्टिनेसन यो सबै चिजले गरेर हामीहरूलाई एकदम हतार गराइरहेछ. बट एट द सेम टाइम यो चार्जिङको इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरले हामीहरूलाई स्लो गराइरहेछ. अब यो कम्बिनेसनमा हामीहरू सुत्न पाइरहेको छैन राम्ररी. आज सुतिन्छ, आज मस्त सुतिन्छ, जे सुतिन्छ. एन्सर
Yes.
Nice road, smooth drive, and the car is very comfortable. That's another thing.
थकाइच नै.
थकाइज नै.
अब त्यत्रो रात दिन चलाएर चाहिँ हामी भन्नुहोस् न.
हामी थकेका छैनौँ, गाडी पनि थाकेको छैन. रात दिन चार्ज गरेको छ, हिँडेको छ. कन्टिन्युअस मोटर चलिरहेछ. चार्ज गर्ने बेलामा अफ हुन्छ मोटर हैन. अदरवाइज मोटर इज अन अल द टाइम. हाई भोल्टेज ब्याट्री, इट्स एक्टिभ अल द टाइम. The LFP 55 kilowatt hour battery that this car has, it's all the time active. And by the way, we had started our journey at 7 a.m. yesterday from Banaras, and to reach Nagpur it took us a long time. We reached here at around 2 a.m. I think, 1 or 2 a.m.
त्यो भनेको मध्यराति है, दिउँसो होइन.
And now we're going towards Hyderabad. It's just 500 kilometers. If it's any other vehicle, you can just reach. Roads are good. I don't know what time you're going to reach Hyderabad. So people, we are about to enter the fifth state, Bihar, UP, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. Yes, fifth one. We are about to enter Telangana state, and climate is getting brutal. It's very hot, and we are using seat ventilation in our car. In fact, we are using it all the time, right? Seat ventilation, AC, full power my AC. If the car has got a bigger sunroof, panoramic sunroof, it becomes little difficult for a car to cool down. Yeah, this car has got a very big sunroof, and yeah, because of that, it takes a long time. And southern part of India, you guys know how hot it is. So yeah, we are chilling with the ventilated seats. For me, sunroof, it doesn't make sense. Ventilated seat, that's something I really like. तपाईँलाई कस्तो लाग्यो? फर्स्ट टाइम युज गर्नुभयो भेन्टिलेसन?
फर्स्ट टाइम.
Enjoying?
नि त पैसाले बर्बाद भइसक्यो नि त, च्याप भएर.
True. And yes, we have done 121 kilometers already. And we have consumed 27% is battery already. We are planning to reach Adilabad and top up. And by the way, whatever it is, we are going to stay in a hotel.
Yes, for sure.
For sure. Vlog में एउटै टी-शर्ट देख्दा देख्दा तपाईहरुलाई पनि भक्क लागिसक्यो. Change गर्न पनि पाएको छैन. By the way, you might have question also, right, where we are using the restroom. Toilets here in the fuel bunk, they've got nice toilets. You've got all the facilities. You can even take bath. We haven't done that, but you can do if you want. And maybe you guys want to know about the charging cost also, right? So each time we are charging, we have to pay around 800 rupees, 900 rupees. So yesterday we started our charge from 27% to 100%. That time we paid around, what is it, 1100? 1000 or 1100 we paid. Otherwise we usually pay around 800, 700 rupees to juice up from 30% to 100% or 35% to 100%. The charges are different in different stations. Even Tata's charge also, it depends. Who's providing you the service? If it's a Tata Motors company itself providing you that service, or if it's some individual or hotel, charges at these different places, you'll find it different. And if you want to know about the range of this vehicle, I haven't calculated it perfectly. Kilometer 80% त्यो सब मैले गर्न सकिनँ किनभने यहाँ चार्जिङको इस्यु छ. बट यसले हामीहरूलाई आज यो जर्नीमा बिहार, आफ्टर क्रसिङ बिहार, आई थिङ्क वी आर गेटिङ 400 प्लस इच टाइम हो. 400 प्लस चाहिँ यो हाइवेमा मजाले भेटिरहेको छ. हिजो वाज अमेजिङ. हिजो त हामीहरूले 400 प्लस होइन, 427 हो कि कति पाएको थियो है रेन्ज. मैले लास्ट भिडियोमा भनेको छु, अहिले बिर्सेँ, सुतेको छैन. 451 नै हो. एकदम बवाल रेन्ज पाएको थियो लास्ट भिडियोमा मैले भनेको छु. इफ यु हेभन्ट गन थ्रु द्याट भिडियो, प्लिज डु इट. इट्स अ सिरिज द्याट्स ह्यापनिङ काठमाडौँ टु कन्याकुमारी विथ टाटा कर्भ EV. Okay, so this place is called Nirmal, and that's the Sola Sara.
Yes, it's working.
It's working. Thank God it's working. And let's charge the vehicle. This is a 30 kilowatt charger. That gentleman was really nice. He came and helped us. Our car is getting charged here. I mean, it's gonna take an hour time, I think. Let's see. कति बेर भनेको छ सर त्यहाँ?
1 hour 45 minutes.
1 hour 45 minutes.
32% चार्ज.
32 मा छौँ है हामी. 32% चार्ज बाँकी छ. हामीले कति किलोमिटर गऱ्यौँ आज टोटल? Around 275 किलोमिटर गऱ्यौँ है. 275 kilometers we drove from Nagpur till here. This place is called Nirmal. Okay, चार्ज भइरहोस्, हामी जाउँ खाना खानालाई. इधर बैठने का है. कूलर है, ठीक है. राम्रो छ, चेयरको पनि डिजाइन राम्रो छ कि. मस्त है, अच्छा है. And he has ordered for mutton biryani and I have ordered for chicken biryani. I actually wanted to have Andhra meals, but they are not serving it. How bad. So here's the guy from the bank here, and he works for a bank, Axis Bank, and he gives loan. And he was so happy to see this car, you know, Kathmandu to Kanyakumari. The best part is he's a YouTuber. He makes videos for car loan and all, right?
Yes, financial products. Like
Financial products.
Loans and insurance.
Loans and insurance. So good to know you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, definitely.
We've achieved 96%. We have 427 kilometers of driving range. Let's go. Did you sleep?
Not.
Did I?
Yes, you.
I was snoring.
Actually.
हाम्रो काम भनेको अब यहाँ चार्ज गर्यो नि, नेक्स्ट अर्को चार्ज पोइन्ट खोज्ने.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
First samasya at the toll booth. For some reason our tag is got blacklisted. New problem. I have 5,000 rupees loaded there in my fast tag, but still I had to pay cash now. Now, what is the reason? Their system cannot read our number plate. What do I do? कसरी मैले के गर्ने त अब त्यसमा? If your system cannot read it. I got the fast tag from Bihar. It was working everywhere, and in this state, Telangana state, it's showing this problem. के गर्ने त सर अब जाने त होइन के गर्ने अब पैसा बेसी तिर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ यस्तो
हाम्रो उपाय नै छैन
क्यास तिर्दै जानु भने त साह्रै महँगो पो पर्छ डबल पर्छ
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Hey, beautiful people, we have arrived. Yeah, Hyderabad.
As the
Hyderabad पहुंच गए रे. Tupran. So we've done 476 kilometers today, and yeah, time is 5:37, and we still have 49% battery with us. This update is after one charge. I'm saying it's after one charge. So now we are gonna get on the outer ring road. It's an expressway kind of thing. I have done a drive on that flyover once already. Vijay sir ko first time hai
हो मेरो त फर्स्ट टाइम नै हो
first time, right? So it's gonna save lots of time. I remember first time when we came this way, we took 4 hours to clear Hyderabad. We were riding by bike. Second time we learned a lot. That time we took 2 hours. And third time I was driving my car. That time it was easy for me. And our plan for tonight is what? What's the plan?
We need to crash. We
We
need
need to sleep. Oh,
We need a
man.
room.
2 दिनको नसुतेको सुत्न त सुतिरहेको छौँ हामी गाडी रोकेर चार्ज गरेको बेला सुत्ने हो अदरवाइज प्रपर सुताइ हाम्रो छैन लास्ट टाइम हामी सुतेको भनेको बिरगन्जमा हो सुतेको इन द सेन्स होटल लिएर सुतेको अदरवाइज वी आर स्लिपिङ इनसाइड द कार सो आज चाहिँ हाम्रो राम्रो ठाउँमा सुत्ने प्लान छ व्हाट वी आर गोना डू इज वी आर गोना क्रस हैदराबाद इट्स अ टास्क एक्चुअली हैदराबाद इज अ बिग सिटी हियर इन तेलंगाना स्टेट So we'll cross the city. We need to find out a place to charge this car, and we need to find out a hotel. It would have been great, if we could get a hotel wherein we could plug in our slow charger. But that doesn't. We have no idea. Like, how do we find that? So we'll have to go and go to each hotel and ask if they're going to provide it or not. And that's not going to be an easy job. So what we are going to do is we are going to find out a charger. We are going to charge, and then we'll drive for some more time, and then we'll crash. Ain't that, sir?
हो
अहिलेसम्म कस्तो भइरहेछ त सर ड्राइभ
एभ्री टाइम यु गो अन अ राइड अर अ ड्राइभ यु लर्न न्यू थिङ्स तर कस्तो हुँदो रहेछ भने चाहिँ यसमा यो पटकको जुन इभी राइडमा चाहिँ वी हेभ लर्न
a lot of things
थाहा छैन टेक्निकलिटीदेखि लिएर धेरै कुराहरू बुझिरहेको छ नि त
तर गाडी वाइज चाहिँ see the way I am sitting here right upright position it's a commanding position the way you're getting the view on the road is great I'm really liking it and technology wise this car is just superb Tata they've come a long way and we are having fun driving this car actually so yeah people आँखामा देख्नुभयो होला हाम्रो आँखा हेर्नुहोस् कस्तो रसिलो सेक्सी भइसकेको छ नसुतेर
In 400 meters, slight left onto the ramp to Nehru Outer Ring Road.
check out this map here whenever you're on flyover this kind of confusing flyover things get really difficult we have to be so careful you miss one turn you're totally screwed man really I've come here earlier also I had made a mistake that time and this time I don't want to repeat it
Slight left onto the ramp to Nehru Outer Ring Road.
भनेपछि लेफ्ट भनेपछि यो होइन यो होइन है
स्लाइट लेफ्ट दिस हज टु बी द
यसलाई नेहरू आउटर रिङ रोड भनेर भनिन्छ यो एउटा मास्टर पिस नै हो यो साँच्चै हो सर हेर्नुहोस् रङ भइसक्यो यो होइन त खै त म रङ गइरहेको देखाएको छु त यो होइन ठिकको देखाएँ
फेरि
लियो नि है
लिइसक्यो
यस्तो कन्फ्युजिङ छ नि यो मलाई त फ्लाइओभर भन्यो कि यहाँ इन्डियामा
कम्प्लेक्स खालेको छ
कम्प्लेक्सहरू चाहिँ म्यापले फेरि ठ्याक्क देखाइदिनु नि
hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be.
Your problem, I don't know for what reason I was saying, otherwise it's our FASTag is good. This is like crazy man, getting on this outer ring road.
69 kilometers.
69 kilometers, sir. The outer ring road, man. 69 kilometers on the ring road. Imagine, it's just a ring road. अब 69 किलोमिटर कन्टिन्यू गर्ने त्यो पनि पुरा रिङ रोड होइन त्यो एउटा इन बिट्विनमा बाहिर निस्किन्छु त्यहाँबाट. Adaptive cruise control is on and my legs are not in accelerator. Of course, you all know what adaptive cruise control is. There is a bus truck on the front. Adaptive cruise control deactivated because I did not hold the steering for longer period of time. Tata knows everything. Tata knows everything.
Moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. It was
Boys and girls, don't get confused. We're not going inside the petrol bunk. We've got EV charging thing there. That's the reason. What is the distance we have covered today? 620 kilometers. Time is 8:15.
अनि एकदम 8 गरेर आज हामीले एकदम लोवेस्ट ब्याट्री पर्सेन्टेजमा हामी यहाँ आयो.
कति पर्सेन्टेज छ बाँकी?
19%.
19% मा यहाँ आइपुग्यो. We have got Tata charger here. Let's get it charged. You know what happened? We just left Hyderabad and there are 4 chargers in this place. Okay, the first one we went, it did not work. The second one we went, it did not work. The 4 chargers that you have here, they're not nearby actually. Around each charge from one place to another, it's around in 20 kilometers radius. So this is the third one here and finally this is working. This is 30 kilowatt charger and it's saying 2 hours. Time is 9:30. We thought we'll stay in a hotel, but check out the place here. It's an isolated fuel bunk here, somewhere in the jungle highway. We don't have restaurant or any hotels where we can stay. Bijay sir is waiting there. Look kar lo baat.
सीता सुने भएन के.
चितासु भएन. लकिली यो चार्जर अलिकति फास्ट नै चार्ज गरिरहेछ यसले.
25% भएर हो कि.
अहिले 26-27 भइसक्यो. Sleep
Yes.
while the vehicle is getting charged.
थर्ड डे भइसक्यो.